Welcome to Change Your Life in 6 Months. This is how to make it happen, a transformative journey towards personal growth and success. Did you know that only 8% of people achieve their New Year's resolutions? That means a staggering 92% of us fall short of our goals. But why? The answer lies in how we approach change. In this video series, we'll explore practical strategies backed by science and psychology to help you break free from old habits, adopt new ones, and create lasting change. From rewiring your brain for success to mastering your time and energy, each chapter is designed to guide you step by step toward a more fulfilling and purposeful life. Are you ready to take control of your future and make the next 6 months the most transformative period of your life? Join us on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment. It's time to unlock your full potential and change your life for the better, starting today. Chapter 1: Quantum Leap Mindset. Rewiring your brain for success. Changing your mindset can be the first step to transforming your life. It's about shifting your perspective and reprogramming your thoughts. A study from Stanford University found that people with a growth mindset are 34% more likely to reach their goals. Start by replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Tell yourself daily that you can and will achieve your goals. Visualization is also key. Picture your success clearly. Your brain can't distinguish between real and imagined experiences, so visualizing success can trick it into making those visions a reality. Another powerful technique is to adopt a "yet" mindset. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," say, "I can't do this yet." This simple word shifts your thinking from defeat to potential. Carol Dweck, a psychologist known for her work on the mindset, emphasizes the power of "yet." It opens up a world of possibilities. Reading inspirational books can also help. Try The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle or Mindset by Carol Dweck. These books provide valuable insights into changing your thought patterns. According to a study, reading for just 6 minutes can reduce stress by 68%. Less stress means a clearer mind, ready for growth. Meditation is another effective tool. It helps you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings, allowing you to manage them better. Even just 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. Apps like Headspace and Calm offer guided meditations that are perfect for beginners. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. Celebrate small wins along the way. They build your confidence and keep you motivated. Chapter 2: Micro Changes, Massive Impact, The Power of Tiny Habits. Tiny habits can lead to big changes. It's all about making small, consistent improvements. Research by B.J. Fogg, a behavior scientist at Stanford, shows that tiny habits are more effective than big changes. They are easier to start and maintain, which makes them more likely to stick. Start by identifying one small habit to change. For example, if you want to be more active, start with a 1-minute walk each day. James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, suggests the 2-minute rule. Make your new habit take less than 2 minutes. This makes it so easy that you can't say no. Tracking your progress is crucial. Use a habit tracker or a simple calendar. Marking off each day you complete your habit gives you a sense of achievement. A study found that tracking habits can increase the likelihood of sticking to them by 42%. Stacking new habits onto existing ones is another effective strategy. For instance, if you already brush your teeth every morning, add a new habit right after, like doing 5 push-ups. This concept is known as habit stacking, and it's a powerful way to build routines. It's important to keep your habits flexible. Life happens, and sometimes you'll miss a day. That's okay. The key is to get back on track as soon as possible. Remember, consistency is more important than perfection. Chapter 3: Future Self-Vision, Crafting a Compelling Personal Narrative. Creating a vision of your future self is like drawing a roadmap to success. It gives you direction and purpose. Research shows that people who visualize their future selves are more motivated and make better decisions. Start by writing a detailed description of your life 6 months from now. Be specific about your goals and how you will achieve them. Visualization isn't just about imagining success, it's about feeling it. Close your eyes and picture yourself achieving your goals. Feel the pride, happiness, and satisfaction. This emotional connection makes your vision more powerful. According to Dr. Joe Dispenza, author of Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself, when you combine a clear intention with an elevated emotion, you set the stage for new neural networks in your brain. Creating a vision board can also be helpful. Gather images and quotes that represent your goals and aspirations. Place your vision board somewhere you'll see it every day. This constant reminder keeps your goals top of mind. A study by TD Bank found that people who create vision boards are twice as likely to achieve their goals. It's also important to share your vision with others. Telling friends or family about your goals makes you more accountable. They can offer support and encouragement along the way. Don't forget to review and adjust your vision regularly. Life changes, and your goals might too. Regularly updating your vision ensures it stays relevant and inspiring. By focusing on these strategies, you'll be well on your way to a complete transformation in just 6 months. Chapter 4, Time Mastery. Reclaim your hours, reclaim your life. Mastering your time is crucial for achieving your goals. Start by tracking how you spend your day. You'll be surprised where your time goes. A study by Rescue Time found that people spend an average of 3 hours and 15 minutes on their phones daily. Imagine what you could do with that time. Prioritize your tasks using the Eisenhower matrix. This tool helps you focus on what's important and urgent, not just what's urgent. Stephen Covey, in his book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, emphasizes the importance of this approach. He says, the key is not to prioritize what's on your schedule, but to schedule your priorities. Time blocking is another effective strategy. Allocate specific time slots for different activities. This helps you stay focused and avoid multitasking. Research shows that multitasking can reduce productivity by up to 40%. Instead, concentrate on one task at a time. Set clear goals for each day. Break them down into manageable tasks. The Pomodoro technique can help here. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This keeps you fresh and prevents burnout. Declutter your workspace to minimize distractions. A clean environment can improve your focus and efficiency. According to a study by Princeton University, physical clutter competes for your attention, reducing performance and increasing stress. Don't forget to schedule downtime. Rest is as important as work. It helps you recharge and maintain high productivity levels. A study from the University of Illinois found that short breaks can improve focus and productivity. Chapter 5, Energy Alignment. Optimize your physical and mental health. Your energy levels directly impact your productivity and well-being. Start with your diet. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains fuels your body and brain. A study from the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health found that a healthy diet can boost your energy levels and improve mood. Exercise regularly. Even a 20-minute walk can increase your energy and reduce stress. According to the Mayo Clinic, regular physical activity improves muscle strength, boosts endurance, and delivers oxygen and nutrients to your tissues. Sleep is also crucial. Aim for 7-9 hours per night. Good sleep enhances your mood, sharpens your focus, and increases your resilience to stress. The National Sleep Foundation reports that good sleep can improve concentration and productivity. Mindfulness practices, like meditation and deep breathing, can help manage stress and maintain mental clarity. A study by Johns Hopkins University found that meditation can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Apps like Headspace or Calm can guide you through these practices. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and impair your concentration. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. According to a study by the University of Connecticut, even mild dehydration can affect your mood and cognitive functions. Limit caffeine and alcohol. While they might provide a temporary boost, they can lead to energy crashes later. Instead, opt for natural energy boosters like green tea or smoothies. Chapter 6, Unstoppable Momentum. Building a positive feedback loop. Creating momentum is key to sustained success. Start small and build gradually. Success breeds success. A study by Teresa Amabile at Harvard Business School found that progress in meaningful work boosts motivation. Set micro goals. These are small, achievable tasks that move you toward your larger goals. Each completed task gives you a sense of accomplishment and builds momentum. James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, suggests focusing on getting 1% better every day. These small improvements add up over time. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Rewarding yourself reinforces positive behavior. This can be as simple as treating yourself to a nice meal or taking a relaxing break. According to Charles Duhigg in The Power of Habit, rewards help cement new habits. Surround yourself with positive influences. Connect with people who inspire and motivate you. Their energy can boost your own. Jim Rohn famously said, You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Keep a journal of your progress. Writing down your achievements helps you reflect on your journey and stay motivated. A study by the Dominican University of California found that people who write down their goals are 42% more likely to achieve them. Stay adaptable. Life is unpredictable, and flexibility is key to maintaining momentum. If something isn't working, don't be afraid to pivot. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. By implementing these strategies, you'll build unstoppable momentum and keep moving toward your goals. These chapters focus on practical, actionable steps that make a real difference in your journey to change your life in 6 months. Chapter 7. Digital Detox. Reclaim your focus and clarity. Digital distractions can hinder your progress. Start by setting boundaries. Schedule specific times for checking emails and social media. According to a study by the University of British Columbia, constant email checking can lead to higher stress levels. Turn off notifications. Each notification disrupts your focus and can take up to 23 minutes to regain full concentration. A study by the University of California, Irvine, found that it takes an average of 23 minutes and 15 seconds to get back to a task after a distraction. Designate tech-free zones. Create spaces in your home or office where phones and other devices are not allowed. This helps create a peaceful environment for focus and relaxation. Practice mindfulness when using technology. Be fully present and aware of your actions. This can help reduce mindless scrolling and improve your overall digital experience. Engage in analog activities. Reading a physical book, writing in a journal, or taking a nature walk can help reduce screen time and improve mental clarity. Research published in the Journal of Behavioral Addictions suggests that spending time in nature can improve mood and reduce stress. Use apps to help limit screen time. Apps like Freedom or Stay Focused can block distracting websites and apps, allowing you to focus on your tasks. A study published in the Journal of Medical Internet Research found that using a website blocker can reduce procrastination and increase productivity. Chapter 8. The Accountability Advantage. Partnering for Progress. Having an accountability partner can significantly increase your chances of success. Choose someone who will support and challenge you. According to a study by the American Society of Training and Development, you have a 65% chance of completing a goal if you commit to someone. If you have a specific accountability appointment with a person you've committed, you will increase your chance of success by up to 95%. Set clear goals with your accountability partner. Define what you want to achieve and how you will measure success. This clarity helps keep you both on track. Schedule regular check-ins. Whether it's weekly meetings or daily check-ins, regular communication is key. It allows you to discuss progress, challenges, and adjustments to your plan. Celebrate each other's successes. Acknowledging and celebrating milestones keeps motivation high. It also strengthens your bond as accountability partners. Be honest and transparent. Share your struggles and setbacks openly. Your accountability partner is there to support you, not judge you. Consider joining a group accountability program. These programs provide a supportive community of like-minded individuals who can offer encouragement and accountability. Chapter 9. Radical Self-Care. Prioritizing your needs for optimal growth. Self-care is essential for your overall well-being. It's not selfish, it's necessary for personal growth. Start by setting boundaries. Learn to say no to things that drain your energy or take time away from self-care. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a friend. Research published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology shows that self-compassion is associated with greater emotional resilience and well-being. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Whether it's reading a book, taking a bath, or going for a walk, make time for activities that nourish your soul. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep deprivation can negatively impact your mood, energy levels, and cognitive function. Research published in the journal Sleep Health suggests that inadequate sleep is associated with higher levels of stress and lower overall well-being. Practice mindfulness and meditation. These practices can help reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance your overall mental well-being. A study published in JAMA Internal Medicine found that mindfulness meditation can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Take care of your physical health. Eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and schedule regular checkups with your healthcare provider. Your physical health directly impacts your mental and emotional well-being. By prioritizing self-care, you'll have the energy and resilience needed to make lasting changes in your life.